Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Twitter account public. First, open the Twitter application or website and log in. Next, tap your profile picture or click the More icon to open the main menu. From there, select Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Now, choose Privacy and Safety, and then Audience and Tagging. You will see an option labeled Protect Your Posts. Simply uncheck this box to make your account public. When your account is public, your tweets are visible to anyone on the platform, or even off it, across the entire world. This means that anyone can follow you without needing your explicit approval, making it easier for new connections to find you. Going public significantly expands your reach, allowing for greater interaction and the potential to grow your audience beyond your current follower count. With a public profile, it is wise to review your bio and profile picture to ensure they represent you professionally or as intended. Remember that all your content is now broadly visible, so consider your posts thoughtfully. You can still manage specific interactions. For example, within audience and tagging, you can adjust photo tagging to allow anyone or only people you follow to tag you in photos, giving you more control. Should you decide to change your account back to private, the process is just as straightforward. Navigate back to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, and Audience and Tagging. Recheck the Protect Your Posts box to activate private mode. Immediately, all new follower requests will require your approval, and only your approved followers will be able to see your past and future tweets, giving you full control again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.